Volkswagen is pushing ahead at full speed with its localization strategy for the Chinese market. Volkswagen Anhui is Volkswagen Group's first majority-owned joint venture for all-electric vehicles in China. According to Erwin Gabarty, CEO of the company, it is a key pillar for the group's e-mobility push and decarbonization strategy in China and globally.
A very famous Chinese saying goes, "Tian shi di li ren he," which meaning is to be at the right time, at the right place, having the right people, is crucial for every successful business. With a planned investment of 23.1 billion RMB, we are in full speed in building up a new NEV hub along the complete value chain covering R&D, manufacturing and sales and services. With the fast development of Chinese NEV market, Hefei is definitely the right place as Volkswagen Anhui shares a common vision with the local government around Hefei's position as a global e-mobility hub. The Volkswagen Anhui's investment decisions is attributed to the good investment opportunities and market environment created by the local government for foreign enterprises. Since the project was established here in Anhui, the government has given strong and all-around support, for which we would like to express our sincere thanks. While we are now in full speed towards the SOP of our first green and intelligent NEV model, rolling off production line by end of 2023. We will deepen our In China for China strategy constantly, enhance local R&D capabilities to better meet local demands of the Chinese market and contribute to the development to the Hefei city and Anhui province.